morning students. Today we are going to solve exercise 3B part 1. In this session we are going to solve first five questions of exercise 3. Okay, in next session we are going to solve continuation of this one. Before going to exercise 3B, first we are going to learn some formulas. So first one, sum of interior angles of a polygon. What is mean by interior? In the last class I told interior means interior angles of a polygon. That means the angle which are coming inside the polygon is called interior angle. For example, I draw one figure here like this. Okay. So see, this angles are coming inside. So these angles are called interior angles. See here, this angle is coming outside. This part, only this part is coming outside. So this angle is called exterior angle. The angles which are coming inside the polygon is called interior angles. The angle which are coming outside is called exterior angles. Okay. Then sum of interior angles of a polygon. That means sum means addition of. If you add all these angles means, if you add all these interior angles means, what is the formula to find out that sum of interior angles of a polygon? That is equal to n minus 2 multiplied 180 degree. You have to memorize this formula. You can apply any of this formula. Everything is same only. So n minus 2 multiplied 180 degree. What is n here? Number of sides. Here for example I am taking triangle. Okay. Triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. So if you substitute in this formula, you will get 3 minus 2 multiplied 180 degree. 3 minus 1, 2, you will get 1. 1 multiplied 180 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. You know sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So if it is a triangle means you know that is sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. But if it is some other polygon, if square is given, rectangle is given, pentagon is given means we can using this formula we can find out. See same this one only I am writing in different method. So n minus 2 multiplied 180 degree. 180 degree this is one right angle. Okay, this is one right angle. One right angle is we can write 90 degree. If I am draw here also, that means here this is one right angle, this is one right angle. So altogether it's altogether 180 degree. So instead of writing 180 degree, I can write this as 2 right angle. This is one right angle, this is one right angle, 2 right angle. So instead of writing 180 degree, I can write 2 right angles. Okay. So here multiply 180 is there. So instead of 180, I am writing here multiply 2 right angles. So I am going to multiply this 2 with this n minus 2. So n multiply 2, you will get 2n. Here minus, so minus 2 2s are here 4 will come. So 2n minus 4. What is the remaining? Right angle. So one right angle is how much degree? 90 degree. So this formula we can write 2n minus 4. See, nothing is there means here multiplication. Bracket is coming. So one right angle is how much degree? 90 degree. So we can write this formula as 2n minus 4 multiply 90 degree. If you substitute any of this formula, you will get the same answer. This formula only I can write this also like this also, which is convenient for you. You can use any one of these formulas. So this is the formula to find out sum of interior angles of a polygon. So one more method is there. So using triangle you can find out how many what is the sum of the interior angles you can find out. Listen, if I draw one pentagon here, you know in the 5 sides are there. See 5 sides are there means you can apply this formula. So 2 multiplied and how many sides? 5. So 2 multiplied 5 minus 4 multiplied 90 degree. So 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 4 you will get 10 minus 4 you will get 6. 6 multiplied 90 degree 360 degree. So sum of interior angles of this polygon is how much degree? 360 degree. Instead of finding this formula, we can split this pentagon as a triangle. So I am going to split, this is one triangle, this is one triangle. Totally how many one triangle. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. Totally 3 triangles are there. You know sum of angles of triangle is how much? 180 degree. So in this triangle 180 degree, in this triangle 180 degree, in this triangle 180 degree. So if you add all those things, here 9 6 are 54, 540 degree will come. So if you add this one, 3 multiply 180 degree, 3 times you can add, otherwise you can multiply that, 3 multiply 180 degree. 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So sum of angles of this pentagon is 540 degree. You can use this method also. You can split whatever figure is given, polygon is given. You can divide that one as a triangles. So you know that is sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree. Then if you find out how many triangles is coming, multiply that number by 180 degree, you will get the answer. Otherwise you can use this formula 2n minus 4 multiply 90 degree you can use. Next one, sum of exterior angle of a polygon. I told interior angle means the angle which are coming inside the polygon. Exterior angle means the angle which are coming outside the polygon. So we can write exterior angle of a polygon equal to interior angle plus exterior of an angle equal to 180 degree. Listen, I draw one triangle here. See, this is exterior angle. See, this one is exterior angle, this one is interior angle, this one is interior angle, this one is interior angle. You know straight angle is equal to 180 degree. If they are exterior angle of a polygon, this one is linear pair. What is mean by linear pair? Linear pair is formed when two lines are intersect. So here see, this is one line, this is one line. These two lines are intersect in this point and they form two angles. I named this angle as A, I named this angle as B. You know straight angle is equal to 180 degree. That means see, this is straight angle, no? So we can say this angle A and angle B equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair. If any two lines intersect one point, means that two angles is equal to 180 degree. So these two, what are these two? One is interior angle, one is exterior angle. So we can write this interior angle and this exterior angle is equal to 180 degree, we can say. Then listen, you know A plus B equal to 180 degree. Here A and B angle is given 110 degree. They are asking what is the angle of A. How you will find out? You know sum of these two is 180 degree. One angle is given. You have to find the another. So what we have to do? See, A we have to find out. So I am taking A this side. I am taking B this side. What is B angle? 110 degree. If you subtract, you will get 70 degree. This is the angle A. 70 degree is the measure of angle A. This is how you have to find out. If interior angle is given, how to find out the exterior angle. For that, separate formulas also there. For a polygon of n sides, sum of all interior angles plus sum of all exterior angles equal to n multiply 180 degree. If n sides polygon is given means sum of all exterior angles plus sum of all exterior angles equal to n multiply 180 degree is the formula. Next one, 2n minus 4 right angle plus sum of all exterior angle. Listen, here we are writing sum of all interior angles. See, you know sum of all interior angles formula is 2n multiply minus 4 multiply 90 degree. So in the place of sum of all interior angles, I am writing here 2n minus 4 right angle I am writing. Multiply 90 also I can write, otherwise right angle also I can write. Plus sum of all exterior angle equal to same formula I am writing. So that is equal to 180 degree I can write 2 right angles. So 2 right angle means we can multiply these two, you will get 2n. What is the remaining right angles? So we can write this 2n right angles, otherwise we can write 2n multiply 90 degree also we can write, because one right angle is equal to 90 degree. So like this also we can write. So any of these formula we can use to find out sum of interior angle and sum of exterior angle. Then sum of all exterior angle. We want only sum of all exterior angle. So I am taking this 2n minus 4 right angle to this side. So it will become subtraction. So here already 2n multiply 9 right angle is there, minus I am taking that 2n minus 4 right angle. So 2n minus 4 right angle will come. So 2n, here also right angle is there, here also right angle is there. So I am taking commonly outside that right angle. What is the remaining? 2n minus 4 will come. Listen, this minus is common for the term which are given inside the bracket. That is 2n minus 4. So if you multiply minus multiply 2n, you will get minus 2n. Minus multiply minus, you will get plus 4 will come. So 2n minus 2n plus 4 right angles will come. Here plus 2n, here minus 2n will get cancelled. What is the remaining? 4 right angles. So you know right angle is equal to 90 degree. So 4 multiply 90 degree, we can write 360 degree. So sum of all exterior angles equal to 360 degree. Then for a regular polygon of n sides, listen, if each exterior angle, see 360 degree is the sum of exterior angle you know, divided by number of sides is the formula. If they told to find out, see number of sides is given, they told to find out each exterior angle means you have to use this formula and you have to solve the answer. So using this formula we are going to solve exercise 3b. If number of sides is, they are asking number of sides, they are given each exterior angle they are given. So what we have to do, we have to take this number of sides this side and take this each exterior angle this side. So you will get number of sides. Number of sides they are denoting by the letter as n. Next one, each interior angle, that is exterior angle, this is interior angle. Each interior angle formula equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. You know, I draw one figure in that place. So see, these are the exterior angle, these are interior angle, this is also exterior angle. I told this interior angle plus this interior angle plus this exterior angle equal to 180 degree. That means if they are asking only exterior angle, this angle alone they are asking means 180 degree minus this interior angle. So I am writing here 180 degree minus each exterior angle. So interior angle they are asking means 180 degree minus each exterior angle. Next exercise 3b, first question. Find the sum of all interior angles of the following regular polygons. So they told to find out sum of all interior angles. So this is the formula to find out sum of all interior angles. So first I am writing sum of all interior angles equal to 2n minus 4 multiply right angles are formula. One right angle is equal to 90 degree we know, so I am writing multiply 90 degree. They told to find out the sum of angles of sum of all interior angles of pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. So in the place of n I am going to substitute. Pentagon means we know number of sides is 5. So in the place of n I am going to substitute 5. So 2 multiply 5 minus 4 multiply 9. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 4. So remain 2 5s are 10. Minus I am writing as it is 4 multiply 90 degree. 10 minus 4 you will get 6. 6 multiply remaining 90 degree I am writing. 9 6 are 44, 0. So sum of all interior angles of pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Same way you have to find all the remaining hexagon, nonagon, polygon of 11 sides, polygon of 16 sides. Same way you have to do. So next one, hexagon. Hexagon is given. What is how many sides in hexagon? 6 sides. So in the place of n you have to substitute x. Here you have to substitute x. So you will get 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 4 you will get 8. 8 minus 9 you will get 8 9s are 72. So you will get 720 degree. Same way you have to solve remaining 3, that is homework 5. See the next question. Let the second question. What is the number of side of a regular polygon having a given angle sum? So this is the sum of angles of the polygon formula, that is equal to 2n minus 4 multiplied 90. Listen, in this question we have to find out number of sides of the polygon. What is given? Angle sum is given. Angle sum, interior angle sum is given. They told to find out how many sides that polygon has. So we know sum of angles of the polygon equal to, this is the formula, 2n minus 4 multiplied 90 degree. We don't know what is n. So I am consider let the number of sides be n. Let the number of sides be n. So you know sum of angles of the polygon is given in the question. This part is given in the question. So I am writing that here 1980, that is equal to same formula. See here multiplication is there. Multiplication 90 go to left hand side means it will become division. So if you cancel this one, 0 0 get cancelled, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, remaining 1. So I am writing here 1. So next number become 18. So again 2 8s are 2 9s are 18. So here what will come? 22 degree equal to 2n minus 4 in right hand side. So we want only n value. So except that n, we are taking all the remaining to other side. So I am keeping 2n one side and I am taking this minus 4 to this side. So it will become plus 4. 22 plus 4 you will get 26. I want only n. 2n denotes 2 multiply. It represents 2 multiply n. So I am keeping n this side and I am taking multiplication 2 to this side. So it will become division 2. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So how many sides that polygon has? 30 sides. So we can write n equal to 30 sides. Same way you have to solve the next question. Instead of this number they are giving another number, that is 3240. Just substitute 3240 here and again divide that number by 90 and take all the remaining to this side. Find n value. Next one, find the measure of each exterior angle of the following regular polygons. They told to find out each exterior angle of the figure hexagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. So here first question is hexagon is given. We have to find the each exterior angle. So each exterior formula is given in the previous slide, first slide. Each exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by n. So n here denotes number of sides. So hexagon has how many sides? N equal to 6. Hexagon has 6 sides. So I am writing instead of 7 I am going to substitute 6 here. So 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36, 0 will come. So each exterior angle is equal to 60 degree. Each of the angles in hexagon is equal to 60 degree. Next question, octagon. Octagon means it has 8 sides. So n equal to 8 here. Same formula, 360 degree divided by n. Substitute in the n place 8. If you cancel that one, you will get 45 degree. Next, nonagon. Nonagon means it has 9 sides. So same formula, 360 degree divided by n divided by 9. 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36, then 0, 40 degree will come. Then decagon. Decagon has 10 sides. So n equal to 10. So 0 0 get cancelled. Your answer is 36 degree. Next, fourth question. What is the measure of each interior angle of the following regular polygons? See, in the previous question they are asking each interior angle. The next question they are asking each exterior angle is, each interior angle is how much they are asking. So first I am writing, they told to find out each interior angle of pentagon. So first I am writing each interior angle formula is equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. I already told. See, these are interior angle, this is exterior angle and this one is also exterior angle. This is also exterior angle because this is all coming outside. The angles which are coming inside are interior angle, coming outside are called exterior angle. So you know sum of interior angles and exterior angles equal to 180 degree in linear pair. That means in this they are asking each interior angle. That means this angle they are asking. You know this totally 180 degree. Only this angle, exterior angle one formula is there. What is the exterior angle? See, this is interior angle, this is exterior angle. what is given in the question? Only n side is given. So first I am going to find out. This is the formula to find out each interior angle formula. Each interior angle formula is 180 degree minus each exterior angle. You don't know what is how much is each exterior angle. So I am going to find out first what is the each exterior angle. So each exterior angle formula is 360 degree divided by n. So if you divide 360 degree divided by n, what is n? Pentagon has 5 sides, so n is 5. So if you divide this one, you will get 72 degree. That means this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is 72 degree. We have to find out interior angle. You know sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So equal to 180 degree. Unknown this interior angle I am writing I plus exterior angle we found, that is 72 degree. We want only interior angle. So keep interior angle this side and take that exterior angle right hand side. So minus 72 degree will come. So if you subtract, you will get 180 degree. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. One angle is given means you have to find out. We can find out another angle. Here interior angle also we know. Only we don't know. Only we know is number of sides. So number of sides we can substitute in the exterior angle. From that we can get each exterior angle. If you know exterior angle, using this formula we can find out interior angle. So I am substituting and finding the answer here. Then hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So NS6, each exterior angle formula 360 divided by n value 6. So I am directly substituting here 6. 6 6 are 36. So each exterior angle is 60 degree. So what is the formula to find out each interior angle? 180 degree minus exterior angle. So you will get 120 degree. So interior angle is how much? 120 degree. Same way next question. Octagon. Octagon has 8 sides. So n is 8. So substitute in exterior angle formula and find out exterior angle. Then subtract that exterior angle from 180 degree. You will get each interior angle. Same way next question. Here band value is 10. So 360 divided by 10 you will get 36 degree. That is exterior angle. Each interior angle equal to 180 degree minus each exterior angle. So you will get 144 degree. So next one is fifth question. So fifth question, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each interior angle is of the following measure. So exterior angle is given. Each exterior angle is given. We have to find out how many number of sides that polygon has. We have to find out. So first what we are doing is, this is the each exterior angle. So I am writing each exterior angle equal to 72 degree. So what they are asking, number of sides. We know on formula number of sides equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So 360 degree, this is the formula. I am going to substitute in this formula. This is in the fifth part, the number which are given is the each exterior angle of that figure. So I am writing here 360 degree divided by, here each exterior angle is 720 degree. If you cancel, you will get 5. So that figure has 5 sides. If that polygon has 5 sides, means that is pentagon. Next one, second question, 20 degree is given. So how many number of sides? Each exterior angle is 20 degree, means what is how many sides that figure has, they are asking. So n equal to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle is 20 degree. 0 0 cut it. 1 2 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, remaining 1 16, 8 2s are 16. So 18 sides. Next one, 36 degrees. Write the formula, substitute the value in that and find out the answer. Next, sixth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle measures the following? This is each of its interior angle. They told to find out how many sides the regular polygon has. The previous question, each of exterior angle is given. They told to find out number of sides of the polygon. Here each interior angle is given. They told to find out same the number of sides of the polygon. We don't know the number of sides, so I am considering let the number of sides of the polygon be n. So each exterior angle equal to, what is the formula? Each exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by n. Okay. Another formula is there to find out interior angle, that is 180 degree minus its interior angle. If you subtract interior angle from 180 degree, you will get each exterior angle. Same figure. Interior angle. This is exterior angle. You want to find out exterior angle means you have to subtract 180 degree minus this interior angle. So I am writing here, instead of each exterior angle, I am writing the formula 180 degree minus its interior angle equal to right hand side as it is 360 degree divided by n. Its interior angle is given in the question, that is 150 degree. So in the place of its interior angle, I am substituting 150 degree right hand side as it is. 180 degree minus 150 degree 30 degree, that is equal to 360 degree divided by n. We want only number of sides. So I am taking this n to this side and take this 30 to this side. So 30 will come in denominator. So 0 0 get cancelled. 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So n equal to 12 sides. So number of sides of that polygon is 12 sides. Same way next question, sum of interior angles, each interior angle is given. We are considering that each side, number of sides of that polygon be n. Each exterior angle, this is the formula 360 degree by n. You know each exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus interior angle. So I am writing 180 degree minus its interior angle equal to right hand side as it is. So 180 degree minus interior angle is given, that is 180 degree, 108 degree. If you subtract, you will get 72 degree equal to right hand side same. Take n this side, 72 this side. If you cancel this one by 72, you will get 5. So this polygon has 5 sides. So in this I solve first 6 part. In that first part I am giving homework. First and second part. In first question 4 questions are left. Second question, in second part 1 question is there. In sixth part you have to solve 2 questions. So these are the homework for you. Solve it and sum it. Thank you students.